I'm Archie and I'm a level 2 carpenter and I work for Benfield Loxley.
Hello, I'm Niamh. I'm a level 2 carpenter as well, and I was an apprentice for Benfield Loxley.
I chose an apprenticeship due to more hands-on experience and because I enjoy being on site.
I always find the site experience a bit more helpful, and you get paid to learn. So,
The skills that I've developed since starting my apprenticeship, I would say, is obviously your carpentry skills, but also working with different trades, learning different insights of different trades and how it all works.
I'd also say that I've developed more teamwork and skills where we have to work with quite a few people and working with other traders, like Archie said.
The proudest achievement of my apprenticeship, I would personally say, would be doing oak panelling at St Peter's because it was a trusting job to help cut the sheets and yeah, just I feel like I pushed myself in that job.
My proudest moment so far would be going to the carpentry competition with the college. It was a very good experience and gave me a different insight to different working areas.
The learning style of college and the apprenticeship, I would say, is hands-on, but the theory side, I think, with 1 day a week is enough. It balances it out, starts the week good, gets your head into it.
Yeah, I agree. I think the theory side also gives you different insights, especially on like the health and safety parts and just general techniques with where you're doing stuff at work. But being on site gives you the actual site experience. I think it definitely opens up opportunities for a long-lasting job, hopefully getting myself as skilled as I can.
I would say you've got to have perseverance, you've got to push yourself, but I feel like once you're there and you're comfortable with the team, college, it gets better and better each day.